India's space hero, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, is all set to return to his hometown Lucknow in just a few hours from now. Shubhanshu Shukla will be felicitated by Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, later in the day, and is also expected to be part of a car parade till the city Montessori school, where he is expected to address the media. The atmosphere in Lucknow is electric right now, as the city cannot wait to welcome Shubhanshu, who scripted history by becoming the first Indian on board the International Space Station. That's the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time. We'll be going across to my colleague Adeeb, who is joining us live from Lucknow at this point in time. Adeeb, good morning. So in just a few, we can say moments from now, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is going to land in Lucknow. Tell us a little bit about how Lucknow, Nawabon ka Shahar, is planning to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla.
We'll definitely see Lucknow is all set to welcome the city's hero, the nation's hero, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. I'm at the Lucknow airport, and as you can see in the visuals, these are the students of City Montessori School. They all have dressed up as the astronauts to welcome our very own astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla. And you can also see the 5 band of City Montessori School that's going to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. Apart from this, the Uttar Pradesh government has going to felicitate Shubhanshu Shukla once he arrives in Lucknow. Deputy Chief Minister Brijesh Pathak is already inside the airport to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. A road show from Lucknow airport all the way to his school will be organized. The Lucknow Municipal Corporation is going to shower flower petals on this road show when Shubhanshu Shukla will leave from airport. And in the evening, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be meeting and felicitating Shubhanshu Shukla in a grand manner in Lok Bhavan in Lucknow.
Right, clearly, so grand celebrations are expected to take place once he arrives in Lucknow. And also tell us a little bit more about that roadshow that has been planned. And we can see, in the visuals also that you were bringing to us, there is a lot of enthusiasm, especially among young kids, especially among the school children there, to perhaps, catch a glimpse of Shubhanshu Shukla, because ever since he's come back from this mission, he has been making some very, very interesting statements, and he has been making statements that inspire the people of this country, that if he can do it, then everybody else really can.
Well, definitely, and that's the reason you see a lot of children from CMS, they are present at the airport to welcome the city's hero Shubhanshu Shukla. You can see how beautifully they all have dressed up to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla at the airport. And not just this, but his family is also inside the airport. His mother especially is very eager to meet Shubhanshu Shukla, as she was not well, she could not meet him in Delhi. So now it's the first time that this Ashish Shukla is going to meet her son after his return from the International Space Station. And Lucknow is all set to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. Not just the students of CMS, but you can see that the common people of Lucknow, they are also here with the tricolor, with the flags in their hand to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla at the airport. So from right side, left side, you'll only see flags, the Indian flags, the tricolor, to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. Lucknow is all set to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla once he arrives in the city. And the road show which we are talking about, it's a long road show that will start from Lucknow airport to all the way in the Gomti Nagar area of Lucknow, where the CMS is. So Shubhanshu Shukla will lead this road show. He'll be in an open car, and all the people from Lucknow will be felicitating him, will be showering petals on the road show once the road show starts from the airport. And in a short while, we can expect that Shubhanshu will be coming, and as you will see in the visuals that some people have started coming out of the airport, and in a few minutes we can expect that Shubhanshu will walk out of the airport. After this in a very short period of time, we are expecting that Shubhanshu will come out of the airport terminal. Back to you.
Right, and we can also see, Adib, behind you, some children, in fact, dressed as astronauts as well. If you could just bring up those visuals for our viewers and, talk to us a little bit about that as well. That also shows how much he has really inspired school children, young kids out there that we've been talking about. Just take us through those visuals. I can see some very, nice preparation there to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. Children dressed as astronauts. There we can see in the visuals. Adib, if you could just quickly talk to us about those.
Well, definitely you can see a large number of students from CMS. They all, as you can see in the visuals, how beautifully they have dressed up as astronauts. They all are waving towards the exit gate of this airport at the arrival gate, and you can see how they have dressed up. They all have these Indian flags, so they are waving and waiting for Shubhanshu as he's going to walk out of the domestic arrival in a very short period of time from now. So you can see that apart from these little astronauts which we have over here of this school, we have some students also who have dressed in a traditional attire to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. We have the teachers of Shubhanshu Shukla, the principal. They all are going to welcome him once he walks out of this airport. And this is not just about the airport.
All right, Adib, for now, thank you for joining us with your inputs. We'll come back to you for more on this. As you told us, in just a few moments from now, he's expected to, come out of this particular airport, and he's going to be given a grand welcome there. Meanwhile, viewers, while the preparations are underway for a grand celebration of the return of Shubhanshu Shukla to Lucknow, we are also learning that Shubhanshu Shukla may not visit his residence due to some security reasons. Nevertheless, there is a celebratory mood in his neighborhood, and his mother will now meet him for the first time since the successful mission out there. Listen in.
घर के बाहर देखिए किस तरीके से जो सड़क है, विभाग ने वो सड़क बनवा दी है। ये जो उनके घर के बाहर सड़क है, नई सड़क बनी है, गली की पूरी सड़क बन रही है। घर के बाहर की जो सड़क है वो बन गई है। आगे ये पूरा जो मोहल्ला है, इसकी सड़कें जो है वो बनाई जा रही हैं। इसके अलावा कहा जा रहा है कि जो सड़क होगा, एक सड़क का नामकरण जो है शुभांशु शुक्ला के नाम पर होगा। जो पार्क होगा उसका नाम भी शुभांशु शुक्ला के नाम पर, उसका भी नामकरण किया जाएगा। और एक बार आपको पीछे दोबारा इस तस्वीर दिखाते हैं। देखिए ये जो उनका घर है, किस तरीके से यहाँ फूल सजाए गए हैं गेट पर, और बाहर पोस्टर्स बैनर्स भी लगाए गए हैं। हालांकि शुभांशु घर आएंगे या नहीं आ पाएंगे, इसको लेकर थोड़ा सस्पेंस है। लखनऊ में रहेंगे, फैमिली के लोग उनसे मिलेंगे, उनसे बातें करेंगे, इतना तय माना जा रहा है। और ये भी माना जा रहा है कि अगले 2-3 दिनों तक वो लखनऊ में रह सकते हैं। हालांकि बहुत टाइट शेड्यूल बताया जा रहा है फैमिली की तरफ से कि उनका शेड्यूल बहुत टाइट है। इस दौरान जो ऑफिशियली जानकारी जो होगा वो शेयर फैमिली के से किया जाएगा। लेकिन फैमिली इस बात को लेकर काफी उत्साहित है कि कुछ ही घंटों के लिए ही सही उनसे उनकी मुलाकात यहाँ पे होगी। जब दिल्ली आए थे फैमिली के बाकी लोगों ने मुलाकात की थी, उनकी मदर की मुलाकात उनसे नहीं हो पाई थी, तो उम्मीद की जा रही है कि मदर की भी मुलाकात यहाँ पे उनसे होगी। और इस बात को लेकर परिवार में भी खुशियां हैं। परिवार तैयारियों में जुटा है। इंतजार हो रहा है कि कल शुभांशु जब लखनऊ पहुंचेंगे तो उनका स्वागत कैसे किया जाएगा।
अभी ये कुछ डिसाइड नहीं है, बस ये है कि उनका सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट से जैसा अगर वो अलाउ करेंगे तो फिर यहाँ आएंगे, नहीं तो फिर नहीं आएंगे। घर में भी अच्छी तरह तैयारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग। तो थोड़ा सा जो है वाइफ की तबीयत कुछ ठीक नहीं है, तो उसमें थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है। बाकी सब तैयारी कर रहे हैं हम लोग। जितना अपना कर पाएंगे उतना पूरा करेंगे, अच्छी तरह करेंगे। पूरा परिवार रहेगा साथ में, सब कुछ।
तो माता जी इस बार मिलेंगे, क्योंकि दिल्ली में मुलाकात माता जी की नहीं हो पाई थी तबीयत की वजह से ही।
इस बार मिलेंगी। वो बिल्कुल दिल्ली नहीं जा पाई थी, तबीयत गड़बड़ थी, तो हम लोग गए थे, वो नहीं जा पाई थी, तो उसमें मिलेंगे हम जाके।
घर पे कैसे तैयारी, आप माँ हैं, आप कैसे तैयारी कर रही हैं?
घर पर भी तैयारियां हैं, जोर शोर से चल रही हैं। घर को सजाया जाएगा अभी, और धूम धड़ाके से स्वागत होगा। अच्छे से एयरपोर्ट से जाकर ही लेकर आएंगे उनको, खूब अच्छे से स्वागत करेंगे। तैयारियां हो रही हैं सब। घर नहीं से वहीं गेस्ट हाउस में ही, सरकारी गेस्ट हाउस में ही उनको रुकाया गया है। रुकाए जाएंगे मतलब कल तो प्रोग्राम ही लगे हैं सारे उनके। मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ में है, फिर लोक भवन में है, शाम तक तो वही चलता रहेगा। उसके बाद रात में वहीं गेस्ट हाउस में रुकेंगे। हम लोग वहीं गेस्ट हाउस में ही जाएंगे मिलने के लिए।
तो 3 दिनों तक रहना उनको?
हाँ, वहीं रहेंगे,
3 दिन वहीं रहेंगे।
हाँ।
All right, so there you heard how parents are also now just waiting to welcome Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla in Lucknow. There are going to be celebrations in different parts of the city, and he's also going to be felicitated by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.